Good evening. That's a great start already. It's November 25th, 2021. I'm Maarten van Stam and we are going to have a look today to more Office development, OfficeJS, Microsoft Office, customizing the Office hosts. Let's start the show. There we are again. It's Thursday today. Probably going to be a kind of short stream today. Hour maybe. Because my favorite soccer team's playing for one of the leagues today. So quickly move over to live coding window. I was about to say live coding window. But I see that it's not showing the right window in that screen. So I need to fix that quickly. Darn it. Windows Update messed up my screens again. Where's the clean desk? Dum, dum, dum. There it is. It's showing the other window. That's not the right window. I would guess maybe display 3. That's the right one, I think. Yep. Let's go over to that window. Here we are. Let's go to GitHub. Another Edge window. Yeah, we're still logged in there. Let's go to my Pro repositories. First go to the PnP Office Add-ins today, not the Software in Software, because that's on Tuesday. Let's see, we are a bit behind there. Fetch upstream. There's a nice button over here that you can fetch the upstream for your fork. Fetch and merge. There's nothing open on my side, so up to date, yeah. Now let's get some code here. Copy that. Also not showing my there. The repos. Make directory. What's today? 25th. 2021. 11/25. 2021. 11/25. Yeah. Git. Now let's copy the command in. Getting my own fork here. So what happened the last couple of weeks with the PnP Office, the Office Add-ins, PnP Office Add-ins Repo? We have been working together with David from Microsoft on the basic templates for add-ins, showing you how to there's a new version of GitHub available. We should do that some other time. But that was merged into the repo. Also, another repo was merged from Eric from Canada, and he created some other interesting stuff there. So let's have a look here. CD PnP. CD samples. There should be a hello world thing there. There you are. Hello world. There are 4 hosts in there. Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. And we have a readme. Let's go into the code here. Code dot. And let's start with Word here. New version of icons. That's always nice. There's a manifest in there, and we have the application itself. So if you go to read the README file here, there's an update for Visual Studio Code also. Let's have a look at the document. What shall we do? Shall we do it on this machine or from the hosted environment? Let's first start with the hosted environment. Run the sample on the web. Download the manifest. Oh, there's the manifest. Open Office on the web. Choose Word. A blank document. Open the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Add-ins. Insert tabs. Add-ins. You're about to sneeze in a minute. On the Office Add-ins dialog, select My Add-ins tab. That's already selected. Go to Manage My Add-ins. Nose is really ticklish. Upload my add-ins. Browse for this. And that's not the right folder there. We need to go to 25. Samples. Hello World. Win a word. And load the manifest file. Upload this. And now we have this add-in over here. There's a task pane, Hello World. This add-in will insert the text Hello World. Say hello. There you are. Well, this is the most basic add-in that you can create. Let's have a look at the code here. So what you should see in here now, the manifest, is that the GitHub pages are used to serve the website, like the icon that's on here. Let's pick the big one, 8080. This is basically hosted on your OfficeDev GitHub IO. That's the pages page from GitHub associated with the repo. So let's have a look if that really exists. There you are, the logo. That's this logo. So this is the web version. Now do it completely different. we now will go to host it on this machine. And for that, we need to run the web server, and we need to take this site. We can just go in here. And delete the manifest file. Or you can make a directory temp, move, copy manifest to temp, del manifest, and rename manifest to manifest.xml. So let's go to the instructions here. Run the sample, configure. We have Node running, npm install HTTP server. We already have HTTP server available. Office Add-in dev search is already there. So let's run this to see if we have the latest certificates. This should also show you the directory where the certificates can be found. So the certificates are in this location. Let's copy those. Copy these in and go to see data, repos, 25. PnP, samples, hello world, Word, copy those in here. Follow the instructions, run the command, HTTP server secure, cross-reference localhost CRT, localhost key, on port 30, copy that. That's now working. So if you go to the browser and have a look at HTTPS 127, or let's make that localhost 3000 task pane.html. There you see that we are serving the add-in right now from our local machine, and it didn't find the favorite, the fave icon. How do you pronounce that? I don't know. So this is working. The website is up and running. Now go back to the documentation. Run the sample on Word on the web. Follow steps and run the sample on Word on web. That's not right, I think. Oh, you can do that. Basically, yeah, you can do the same thing, but the other thing that we also can do is make this folder, properties, and sharing this, share, and share that with me, share. Now we have this folder done. Let's copy that. Copy. Start Windows, Word, WinWord. And go to Options. Trust Center. Trust Center. Trusted location. Trusted add-in catalogs. Yeah. We have to remove this one because that's old. We're going to add a new one. Add and activate it. Okay. Now we have to restart Office. Start to WinWord again. There you are. Now the add-in should be activated. The add-in location should be active. So if you go in here and go to where's the add-ins thingy? Here. My add-ins. No, that's not what we need. Oh, why am I not logged in? I am logged in, but it's timed out. Sign in. No, that's not the right account. Office Developer. There we are. Go back to Insert My Add-ins. There we are. Manage My Add-ins. I think I was logged in to this account. And this is also not what I wanted to do. Go back. My add-ins. Add. No. Where is it, guys? Shared folder. There it is. Hello World. Add. Now we have the Hello World thingy there. And that's this. This one is served from my local machine here. From there. We need to do some proving there. Say hello. That's working. So close this there. And delete that. Now let's see if we can make some changes here. I like a task pane there. And there's say hello soft as in software. Copy. Let's see if that automatically rebuilds. Don't think so, but let's have a look at it. There you are. The server changed. Now let's see if it's also changed if we load this in the document here. And it doesn't do that. There you are. We needed to refresh the cache. Let's do that one more time and then change the text that's inserted in the document. So I refresh this one and go to the Word add-in. To refresh refresh this. Now say hello. There you are. This should also give us the option, I think, to debug. Let's see if it breaks if we do this. No, it's not breaking right now because I'm not actively debugging, I think. Then we have to start it in a different way. Let's not look at that today. So yeah, basically the add-in seems to work. We can also quickly do the same with the web version for Excel, for instance. If we go to Office here, Office on the web, and now we start Excel, blank workbook, and log in. Next we go to Insert, Office Add-ins. I said Office Add-ins. My add-ins, manage my add-ins, upload my add-in, browse. Now we go to the Excel version. Take the manifest file, upload. There you are. Hello world. This then will set cell A1 to value hello world. Got the other cell selected, but it's definitely putting it in A1, so that's also working. Let's try the other one. PowerPoint maybe. Blank presentation. Insert. Where is the add-in? There. I had to light up. It seems that this that these things are lighting up when you're logged in. Manage my add-ins. Manage my add-ins. Upload my add-in. Browse for that. Now pick the PowerPoint version. Upload. And insert some text there. There you are. That's add-in number 3. Now let's see if we can do the same with Outlook. That's a different instruction if I'm right. Let's close this and go to the Outlook instruction. The README file for Outlook. Close this and make only the readable version available. Run the sample on the web. If your mailbox toolbox looks like the following image, let's have a look. Go in here, no, in here. Outlook. It looks like this. Like this. See site load an add-in. Create a new message. New message. Then it looks like we had to do 3 buttons and then go to get add-ins. There you are. My add-ins. Add a custom add-in from file. Go to Outlook. This one. Manifest. Custom add-in may access your personal data and send it to third-party servers. hasn't been verified by Microsoft. It's even stranger. It's created by Microsoft. Let's install it anyway. There you are. It's added. Then you have to see my add-ins, add from file, and then this is the classic Outlook version, so we don't need that. Yeah, now it should be in the menu over here. There it is, Hello World. Bringing up the task pane and putting it in the body. Nice. So that was a real quickie for showing all the basic, not basic, actually JavaScript, the basic add-ins, the smallest add-ins that you can find. And if we are going to have a look for each of these one, the task pane for Excel, there's just getting the Office environment initialized already. When it's already the hello button is initiated with the function to run the say hello function. This is the say hello function. From there, the Excel run will be triggered with the context, and from this context you get the workbook, worksheets, get active worksheet, get range A1, and puts in the value hello world. Sync it back to the document, and there you are. For Word, same thing. The already for Office. That's button handler, say hello, and in this time the Word context. It will pick up it will insert paragraph with the text and sync it back to the document whenever the button is pressed. Also, the same thing. Sound like a broken record, but if you're learning this is very important. Office initialization, where already the hello button is created with the handler say hello, and with the say hello there will be context document, selected data, async options that it will be text, and set selected data async hello world as text on the PowerPoint slide. And we have the last one, task pane for Outlook. Same thing, Office already, hello button, handler, and this will take from the context the mailbox item body, and we'll set hello world in there. And this will be done as HTML. And this is done. Looks like it's done async. Syncing it back. So that's it for the basic versions. If you want to go in, you can go to PnP Repo. Let's see if we can still have that open. No, we don't. Github. So if you want to join in there, you can go to this repo. You can either go to my forked repo, that's this one, or you can go to the origin. Let's share this in the chat room. there you have the samples, obviously, and for real starter files you go into the hello world items. And that's it. That's about it for this one. Easy peasy. Let's go to the original repo and have a look at the issues here. This is an old pull request, I think. April 12th, that's almost a year old now. A half year. Need cross-platform Outlook single sign-on. Single sign-on. Issue cookie not set. Saved in browser. Sample request. Sample request. Open close task pane. Open close task pane. Yeah, we should do some things with that. Outlook related data. Magic. What's a Mojic? That's also a very old one. Open this issue 2015. Wow. Yeah, don't think that's relevant anymore, but let's go into this repo and have a look at the activity here. Use Outlook event-based activation to process item attachment, meeting request, recipients, and appointment date time changes. This is the new sample created by Eric Gold. Not sure if I'm pronouncing his name properly. He's from Canada. That's Eric. He's also a rocker, playing guitar and other instruments and singing in the band. I think that's his father. He created this this new sample in here. There. Let's have a look at this in samples. Go back to here, samples, and then we have, I think it's the most recent one. We can close this, by the way. The local server is no longer needed here. See the samples. There. I think it's this one. The Outlook Encrypt attachments. Let's have a look at the website. Outlook Encrypt attachments. There. See, that's 2 days ago. Use Outlook event-based activation to encrypt attachments, process meeting request attendees, and react to appointment date time changes. The sample showcase how to use event-based activation in Outlook add-in when the user composes an email or appointment or meeting request. It demonstrates how to run tasks based on events that fire when certain data changes, when the user adds an attachment to an email, adds a recipient or distribution list as a required or optional, changes to start or change the start or end date, or adds a notification message to the item when a new email or appointment request is created, instructing the user to open the task pane for further information. Encryption based on attachment change events. This sample encrypts the first attachment that is added to the composed email or appointment and adds it to as another attachment with encrypt prefix on the file name. It then decrypts the attachment and adds it as another attachment with decrypted prefix on the file name. That's nice. It's a real good demo. Also adds a notification message composed to compose item to denote that the encryption and decryption is in progress. When completed, that message is removed. It may only occur for a very brief time depending on the complexity of the encryption process. Another notification message is added noting that the process is completed. Notification based on the recipients. This sample adds notification message to a meeting request when the recipients are added or removed, and the notification messages are removed when there are no longer any recipients. Shows a message that when running tally of the number of required and optional attendees, show a message with the warning if one or more distribution lists are invited as an attendee. So if you add to all, that must be Bruce Lee, I think. Oh, no, Bruce Lee is buried in Seattle, I think. Notifications based on date time changes. That's the end of the start time, showing the original date when the appointment was opened. The notification message provides a reference for further detail added. Date time edits. So let's have a look. Can we use the web version for this? Outlook for web. Yeah. Applies Outlook for Windows, Outlook on the web, and the web browser. What's the difference between Outlook on the web and web browser? I don't know. Microsoft 365. If you don't have a Microsoft 365, you can get a free developer sandbox. That's something new. We have to discuss this a little bit later in the stream. Because that's a new way to get your tests on Office development. Use Outlook-based event-based activation. That's the solution, and it's created by Eric with the link to Twitter. Run the sample on Outlook on Windows or in the browser. The add-in web files are served from this repo on Github, so that's nice. Sideloading in Outlook is a little bit different. Let's have a look at the web version. Now the Windows version here. Outlook. Using my demo account, the live coder account. No. Sideload. Yeah, this is the same thing. This is in the create message dialog again. So go to Outlook here and create a new email. That's a little bit different than the web. If you compare it to the web, I think it's in here then. Where is it? Let's try the sideload automatically. That's a web version. Web, Outlook desktop. Select the Get Add-ins button on the ribbon. The question is, which ribbon is this? Move. There. Why is this Dutch? I have nothing set to Dutch, but this will be Dutch. Maybe because the account is Dutch. My add-ins. We probably can do something like adding from file. Go to samples and then go to where's the encrypted thingy? No, we need to go to the right folder because it's not in the old repo. Samples. Now we should have Outlook. This one. And then load manifest. Yes, install. My apologies for the Dutch dialogues. This one. That's now loaded. PnP event-based activation sample back. Okay. Close this. And now I think we can do it on here. Oh. That's interesting. Do I need to load it again? See if the account is activated. That's valid. Couldn't activate the event-based activation demo. So why not? Is that part of the code? Try it out. What's the message? We're sorry. Let's find we sorry. So it doesn't connect for some reason. Let's have a look at the thingy here. Let's see if that's active. That's in there. Come on. Copy. That's working. So the source is available. This will be overwritten overrides version old schema. So let's try the web version then. Go to office.com. Outlook. New message, ... Get it is, there's the activation demo. This one is working, so it's not working for the client version for Outlook at this time. Show task pane. That's working. So add an attachment. Anyone can edit. But it's not encrypting, is it? Add-in will showcase how to use the event-based activation to handle on message compose handler and on message attachment changed event. Remove attachment. Let's browse on this computer. Or maybe that's because the file is already zipped, encrypted maybe. What do we have on this machine that we can add to the system? Well, let's put something like the XML in there maybe. See, temp. I'm looking for something big, but maybe downloads folder. Something's what's that for a file? That's already a tar file. PDF, like a PDF. Open that. This is working. So there's a difference if I attach something like this, and that the reason for that is probably because it's in the cloud. And what do we have here? Can't open it because it's encrypted. Why is it? Oh, did it crash? Did it crash my Outlook? Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. New message. The handler is now active. Browse from this computer. And we are going to put in the same thing. The Rechnung. That's German for invoice. This one is decrypted. It's same because the name is still the same. That's working. Well, that's working. Now add a recipient, Megan Bowen, for instance. Oh, we need to open a task pane. Discard this one. Create a new message. Attach some file again. Browse from this computer. Let's pick. Let's say. Now it's not doing it, is it? Oh, and I did not. Oh, there it is. It's starting to be encrypted. That's nice. I think it's too big for some reason. Discard this. New message. Let's open and show the task pane. Interesting. Let's attach something again. Browse this computer. 4 MB, 2 MB. Doubling in size apparently. Add attachment, copy of the attachment encrypted will create it. This is the other way around. Underscore encrypted should be decrypted underscore. Copy of the attachment will be added. Let's have a look at the code window. Did it close it? No, there it is. Oh, we do need to reopen that as well. Go to Outlook, Encrypt. And have a look in here, code dot. Shift F underscore encrypt. It also works in the appointment. That should be encrypted underscore and then we also have decrypted. It's obviously the same one. Save that. 8 changes. This can be discarded. This one can be discarded. This one can be discarded. That can be discarded. Yeah, the hello world can be discarded because that's a change done by the previous demo. What's the difference in here? Manifest. Yeah. So 2 changes here. That's the decrypt and encrypt message. That's, you can see that here. Is that the dialog maybe? I think so. Let's see what to do next. Yeah. So let's make a new appointment here. event. Open the task pane, there you are. This attendee will showcase how to use event-based activation to handle on-appointment attendee changed and on-appointment time changed and appointment attachment changed event. For more information, see configure your add-in Outlook, same thing. Add any required optional attendee. Invite attendees Megan Bowen. Notification will be added that yeah, there's one required, one optional. Invite Miriam. There's one on one. Nice. Make a change to the appointment date or time. Is it after saving or before saving? No, that's the right one. Nice. And you can also add an attachment again. There's the encrypted again, because we changed that already in the code, but this one is going to the GitHub pages. Can we put an attachment to this? Here, browse from this computer and pick another, like the Word document again. Wait, how this will be encrypted. And we get a reminder there. Has been encrypted and decrypted and added as a reference attachment for your something. There you are. Encrypted underscore decrypted underscore. That's right. Nice. And send it. Not sure what date I picked for this. I think this one. That's today, 25th is today, obviously. But when did I create meetings? Is that this one? Yeah, it is. Is that also why we did get this? Because there's no subject in there. Yeah, it's overtime. Oh. It's a Teams meeting also. I'm not sure why it's not connecting when we have let's make a print screen for this. place again. Print screen. I said print screen, do it from here. Let's take something around this. So let's have a look at this. Close this, and we can close this, and we can close this. Then we have to go to the source code here, and I think this is on my code, on my fork. Minor change typo. Typos. Fixed a couple of typos. Would you like to stage all changes and then commit directly? Yes. Really? My soccer team is already playing and they are already behind. Terrible. So let's close this. Go to GitHub. We are already on GitHub. Go to my repo. It's this one, I think. No. This one. No, I need to push it also. Git status. Git push. One update. Let's refresh this. One commit ahead. Contribute. Open pull request. Create a pull request. Bug fix. It's not really a bug fix. Nope. What's in the pull request? And in the pull request, minor typo. Text does not match the naming of the attachment. Not a starting. Not a prefix. But trailing. Underscore. Dialog text. Dialog. Task pane. Text. Where can you see my changes here? Yeah. Darn it. Ah, come on. Dang it, I need to do it again. Oh. Okay, it saved it. That's good. Phew. Create pull request. No conflicts, obviously no. But I also want to address this issue here. A new issue. Bug report. Sample. On Outlook, Windows client. Now this template also blah blah. URL of sample. Duplicate tab. Sample. Where did it go? Outlook. This one. Copy. The name for this one was, oh, never mind. Describe the bug. Add in, let's make that working in the Office, Outlook, Windows client. Successfully on the web version, but the Windows client opened with error on top of the new message dialog. Like this, and there we have a copy for that. copy all. To repro this, we need to where's the add-ins thing again? There. My add-ins. Remove it and add it again. Open, install. No, that's the other one. This one. Back. Now going to new email. To reproduce. Side load the add-in. Open new message. Error message. My pointing fingers. This one. Expected behavior. Expecting it to run just like the cloud version, the web. Screenshots. Environment. That's platform. PC, desktop, PC. Windows, PC, desktop. Outlook, Office version, that's under account here, I think. There. Screen. The other one, this one. operating system. This is not applicable. Windows version. Windows version. This additional context. Oh, we can also include the YouTube link. YouTube. Solve this in software. Videos. It's this one. We got some inception here. 84 minutes in. Let's kill the audio there. Share. Copy. Okay, preview. No need to do this twice. Let's take the top one out. Message here, new message dialog. New on top of the new message window. And make that pointing down. Expecting to run just like, let's have a look at it again. That also may include the name there. I can stop this first. Copy. Again. Scratch bug. that in my YouTube. Let's submit this. Starting with Markdown is supported. Cool. Okay. We're now an hour and a half in. We're going to wrap this up. We've been looking to some updates on the PnP sample, on the PnP Add-ins repo, and some good additions, especially from Eric Legault from Canada. He created this nice encryption example. Sadly enough, it wasn't completely working on the Windows client, but I'm pretty sure that's maybe related to my environment, or it was maybe also not tested on the Windows client. Let's see what he comes back with that. And so thanks for watching today, and I will be back next Tuesday. What's the date? On next Tuesday, November 30, 8 o'clock again, and then I will continue working on my website. Can quickly show that again. My website, https soft as in software where we're starting to add the videos to the opening page, with all the archive videos stored on YouTube. Well, this is a sample dummy file. If you click on this, it will go to one of my older sessions. From this one is November 23. So we get some content in the website. You can also click the see more episodes, and it will also jump to the playlist for all the live coding sessions. Later on I will also add how-to videos and things like that, but that's not for today. If you like watching these videos, you can simply hit the follow button, subscribe button, follow if you are on Twitch, and hit the bell if you want to get notifications when I'm online, usually Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's said, thanks everyone for watching, and hope to see you next time.